Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. If you're new here, feel much welcomed. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use rice water to grow your natural hair. I'm also going to be showing you the right way to prepare rice water to grow your natural hair. The young women from Asia, guys, they appear to have the longest hair in the world. They have also appeared in the Guinness Book World of Record, and they owe it to rice water. They are well known for using rice water to grow their natural hair. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos about rice water. I've done a lot of research and this thing actually works. So I decided to just do this video with you guys so that I can give you my honest feedback. Rice water, guys, contains amino acids that helps with hair regeneration. It also contains vitamin B, C, and E that promotes hair growth. Rice water also helps in conditioning the hair, it enhances easier detangling of your hair, it gives shine to your hair, it also smoothens your hair, it helps in maintaining a healthy scalp, meaning you won't have dandruff when you start using rice water. It also helps in preventing white hair. I'm going to be inserting some pictures of the young women, very old to shows, but they still have long and black hair. So if this seems as something that you're interested in watching, go grab your rice and keep on watching. Okay, now guys, so this is what you'll be needing. You'll be needing an orange, water, rice, and a jar. You don't need any special type of rice, just any white rice is enough. So next, guys, I'm just going to transfer my rice from this plate to this bowl, and I'm going to wash my rice. Rice could have some dirt and debris, especially from being processed and all that. Now I'm just going to pour some water in my bowl and I'm going to wash my rice, and thereafter I'm going to drain off the dirty water. So guys, this is what we have. My rice is clean. The next step, I'm just going to transfer my rice from this bowl to this jar. You need something to completely seal the rice so that the nutrients of the rice can go to the water without any interference. The next step, guys, I'm just going to pour some water in my jar. You don't need any special measurement, just any water that can fill up your jar is enough. The next step, guys, I'm just going to peel my orange. Rice smells bad after it's fermented, so you need an orange to help with the smell.
empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing.
So guys, now after peeling the orange, I'm just going to put the orange peel in my water, and thereafter I'm just going to seal everything and just give it time to ferment. I kept my rice water for 2 weeks. You can keep yours at least for from 1 week to a month. Some even use for keep it for 24 hours, so it's your choice. Yeah guys, so that's it. So guys, this is my rice water. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get this rice water into my spray bottle to for easier application. The young women from Asia, what they do, they take a bowl full of rice water and then they dip their hair into the rice water. But as for me, I'm not going to do that because I have short for C here, and then it's going to be so messy and I don't want to waste my rice water. So my hair is already in sections like this. I had prepared my hair, so today is my wash day, that's why it's in such sections. So before we get started, guys, I just want to show you how the rice feels like, how it looks like. So here's how it looks like. When I break it, it's really breaking so easily, as you can see. Well, for a normal rice, it takes a lot of force, effort, strength to break it. But as you can see, this one is easily breaking. That shows that this rice water is well fermented and it's ready for use, and the nutrients, all the nutrients from the rice are in this water. So I've also like had so many people complain about the smell of the rice water, but my rice water is not smelling so bad, honestly. I don't know if it's because I put a lot of the orange peel. I guess it's the one that helped a lot, but still, if you're not comfortable with the smell, you can use essential oils like lavender. But as for me, this one is just okay. Like, I don't think the smell is so bad. It's not so good and it's not bad. It's just okay. Yeah, so guys, let's get started. Okay, now my beauties, let's get started. I just transferred the rice water from my jar to my spray bottle. So as you can see, like I told you, my hair is in sections like this. So I'm just going to be unraveling, spraying, and then getting it back to a messy twist out. So let's get started. Make sure your hair is well saturated with the rice water and it gets mostly to the roots and to the ends, and then massage that in to make sure that every strand of your hair is well saturated with the rice water. After that, I'm just going to just do a messy twist. Like so. And now let's move to the next one. First, I'm going to start by unraveling. Well, you can just try your own way, the one that you think it will work for you. But to me, as for me, I think working in section works best for me as compared to working with my own hair. You know, my hair is so big, so handling all of it would be very hard. So that's why I prefer working in sections. So I'm just unraveling this part. And I'm just gonna get it, then spray. Make sure the rice water gets to your roots. And your ends. And then next, massage your hair to make sure that every single strand of your hair is well saturated with the rice water.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Break me gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, now guys, so now after finishing applying the rice water into my hair, I went ahead and tied my hair into a tiny little bun, and thereafter I took my fruit cling. You know, plastic bags were banned in our country, so I took a fruit cling, covered my hair like for about 20 minutes. This was so as to give the rice water time to penetrate into my hair. So now guys, it had been 20 minutes. Now it was time to take out the cling into my hair, and my hair was looking so nice and shiny. As you can see, the whitish things you're seeing right now, it's because of the product buildup. I had been using a lot of gels. My hair was feeling a little bit itchy. Yeah, but as you can see, my hair is really soft. As you can see, I can easily detangle my hair. It's looking so shiny. Tell me you can see that shininess. Hey, well, of course I didn't expect my hair to grow like pap, abracadabra, like damn. No, I know, like after I've used enough of this, maybe for a month, I'll start seeing length in my hair. So the next thing, I just went ahead and washed my hair, and now it's time to moisturize. I use Cantu leave-in, and after now using the Cantu leave-in, I went ahead to seal in the moisture, and I'm using coconut oil. So now you can try and incorporate these maybe in your wash days. You can try doing it maybe once a week. Do not use these guys every day because it's going to break your hair. Rice water contains a lot of protein, so if you do this every day, it's going to make your hair brittle and your hair it's going to break. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also comment down below, let me know what you think, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, the place